What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Mr. Entertainment, bringing y'all this crispy 4K entertainment before you even knew what entertainment. Listen, y'all, your boy has been ultimately stressed out. Now, I didn't drop a video this past week. I think I did drop the Yeezys on Monday, but we didn't do sneaker news. I didn't pick up any kicks, man. Your boy been stressing. I literally have 2 blown engines in my garage right now. But we were able to, I took off work one of these days. I think it may have been Monday or Tuesday or whatever. And we were able to get a car, as you can see. So we did get a 2018 Pathfinder. So that's putting things pretty much on the bright side. You know what I mean? 2 broken cars during Christmas is insane. Like, it's just insane. Like, what are we gonna do? You know what I mean? There's a bunch of kids here, just crazy. But we were able to get a whip, so I am in better spirits. Also, we did have my daughter. Y'all remember, y'all know Lanaya. Y'all see her in a bunch of different videos and stuff with me. Y'all see her before. We just had her birthday party this weekend, and she got one of those electric scooters. Them joints is dope, man. Like, I think I want me one of these. You know what I mean? But yeah, so that was fun. We did that yesterday, and it is what it is. But let's get into one of these how I lace, you know, videos. You know what I mean? How I lace. So basically, we've done what? The Jordan 1s, the Yeezys, the Dunks, the Air Maxes. We've done them all. You know what I mean? I really want to do the Yeezys and the Jordan 1s over again because I do normally wear a more traditional way. You know what I mean? So I would like to do those over. But anywho, we are going to do the iconic Air Force One silhouette. You know what I mean? That's what we're gonna do today. Now, your boy did pick these up. I did pick up these right here. And this is a more, you know, loose lace job or whatever. I only went up on 5 eyelids and then let it hang low. Real fire, in my opinion. I'm sorry, 7 eyelids. I went up 7 eyelids, let it hang low. But yes, dope sneaker. I'm trying to tell y'all, man, I keep putting y'all on. Like, someone found these I bought these off of eBay and they came with no top on the box. So it was like one of those outlet finds, but this is a dope Air Force One. Please believe me, the Ruckers, insane. But this is the shoe we are going to do this video on. Now, this is the version 1 Pendleton Nike IDs. These came out, I think, last year or maybe 2018. You know, the new Pendleton, like I just did a video on my Pendletons recently. I think this variation with the tubing and all that is way better. This is a crazy shoe, real crazy. Found this on eBay, I think 120 bucks. Crazy, like dope sneaker. But yes, we're going to do it how I lace my Air Force One lows with this shoe right here. So without further ado, sit back, relax, let's get it. All right, y'all, first of all, we gonna unlace this whole sneaker all the way down till we get here. So let's do that off the gate. All right, if y'all know me, y'all know I like to lace from the outside in, all the way up. I'm gonna do the first few backwards because this is really hard to do it this way. I'd rather have the shoe facing me, but I'm gonna do it this way to show you guys, and then I'm gonna turn it around, all right? Give me a second. From the outside in, just like that. Make sure your strings is nice and loose and even, just like that. See that? From the outside in. All right, y'all, now is where we stop, and this is where it gets a little funky at right here. Now what we're gonna do is, we're going to skip this eyelid. The one right before you get to the top. We're going to skip this one and go right to the top. But with this one, we're gonna go from the inside out. You're gonna let it hang to about 1.5 inches. Now you should have this much string just hanging there evenly, just like that. Now is where you loose lace the shoe all the way down. Let me show you what that looks like. Just like that. This is the way my Air Force One will look at all times on my foot. Nice loose lace job. I ain't got to worry about creasing my toe box. My joints look fire. Almost got that nice sloppy look, but still evenly portioned. Gives off a nice dope bulky look, not too sharp and narrow on your foot. Really gives off a dope look. What do y'all think about this? What do y'all think? This is dope, huh? Here's more of a traditional way that I did it. I went from the outside in and I stopped right here before I went up, and I just let it hang out. You know what I mean? Different strings. So these sneakers are gonna come with different length strings, all sorts of stuff, but this is more of a traditional way that I went with these because I felt it looked best like that in this shoe. But with this one, I skipped that eyelid, let it hang out just like that. Bob. All right, y'all, so before we end today's video, I have a subscriber. My man went out and got himself a pair of Travis Scott highs. Like, yo, are you crazy, my dude? This is an expensive sneaker. But nah, shout out to you. I don't know how to pronounce his name on IG, so I don't want to butcher it, but here's his IG right here. Shout out to my man. He did just pick up some some Jordan Air Force ones. Some Jordan 1 Travis Scott highs. Crazy. Expensive sneaker. Shout out to you, my dude. Also want to give a shout out to my man Brett from Brass City Kicks. Shout out to you. I think he just did a video on some Air Maxes or whatever. He just hit me in the DMs. He wanted me to check out his video. I will definitely do that for you, my dude. This is his YouTube right here. Y'all check him out. Give your boy some likes and some follows and all that. Subscribe to his channel too, because he's doing big things. I like the way he's doing his business over there. Nice edits, all that. He's doing his thing. But yeah, man, I'm gonna end this video off here. Wait a minute, I'm not gonna end it off here. We doing it on foot. Like, are you dumb? Y'all know we got to sit back and wait for that on foot. Stay tuned for the on foot. It's your boy, Mr. Entertainment, bringing y'all this crispy 4K entertainment for even newer entertainment, y'all. Stay tuned. Peace.